Hello everyone, this is Sandy. Today I will introduce this 17-in-1 Adder machine for you. The machine is our newest model. It total has 16 handles and 1 LED light. Now I introduce the details of the handle for you. This is water dermabrasion handle for face cleaning, mole and spraying. This is Micro Dermabrasion handle for remove the deal skin cleaning. This is oxygen spray gun for whitening, hydrating, moisturizing, and shrinking power.
Bipolar warm wave handle for facial thermal therapy to smooth and tighten skin.
This is mole removal pen for removal the moles. This is plasma for eliminate and strongness. They are body and face ultrasonic for body slimming face lifting. This is V-Face for face slimming. This is skin scrubber for exfoliation. This is massage handle, have 3 functions. This is bipolar EMS for face lifting, wrinkle removal. This is cold hammer for face clamp down, pain relief. This is high frequency with acne removal. This is quadruple ruler for face shape, face tightening. This is micro needle for face acne removal, face tightening. This is LED mask has 7 colors, different colors for different functions. Four bottles for different solution and different functions. This is with the water bottle. Adjust the bottle, water, vacuum from here. This machine has an easy to upgrade screen by simply adjusting the energy and time, then could do the treatment. The multifunctional face care machine is very cost-effective. One machine could do so many treatments. It's a basic machine for spa and cleaning. And question, welcome to ask me.